Drum rolls. Me, YouTube. How? Oh my god, it's from YouTube. With my name, like it's branded, customized for me. Oh, hey god. Hi guys, I'm so excited to record this video. So I received a package. Can you guess from where I got this package from? Check out this box. Check out this box. It came in for me and it just got delivered. I cannot wait to unbox this. Okay, so I asked you to guess where this came from. I actually know where it came from. So it came in from, drum rolls, YouTube. YouTube sent me a package, like me, YouTube. How? Hey, God. So you can see my excitement, right? So a little background story. Sometime in 2024, I had an opportunity to sign up for the YouTube Shorts Challenge, and I went through with it. It was that time I decided to actually take my YouTube journey more seriously. So interestingly, in 2025, guess what happened? I just received an email one day that I had been invited to join the elite club, and I was like, okay, from where to where? I had not even been monetized yet. I did not really understand how YouTube could think about me, considering me for that. And guess what? I took it. I started taking the training, I took the challenges and all of that. And at the end of everything, I did not, as a matter of fact, when I started, know that anything was going to come to me, like a compensation or a gift or something from YouTube. I just wanted to grow my channel. And then when the program was done, when we're through with it, I just received another email that there was some brand products that were going to be sent to me. I was really excited about it. And finally, it came in just in time to close up the year, and I can't wait to open this. So are you ready to see what's in here? I was born ready. Like, I've been so excited, so agitated about opening this. Okay, so it's sealed, sent in to me. Okay, so let's get to unboxing. So this is my name written right here, Omolola Mary Omoshebi. Okay, and in here is the invoice. Okay, so let's open this already. Let's open this. Ooh, I can't wait. I just cut that open and let's turn this. Oh my god, it's from YouTube, for real. Okay, so let me turn this way. Yeah, so here's the box. All right, guys, let's see what's in this box together, one after the other. Yes, because it's more than one thing in the box. The first thing is a card from YouTube, and there's a note in here. It says, "Hey creator, a huge congratulations to you on achieving elite status in the Optimize Challenge." So this is the challenge I was talking about that I was invited to join. This is a massive achievement. Trust me, it is. Please enjoy this gift as a thank you for your incredible work and dedication. We can't wait to see what you achieve next. I can't wait to. Best regards, the YouTube team. Okay, so what other thing? We have this big thing right here. I see my name on it, so I see Dr. Omolola Omoshebi. That's the name of my channel. And then what's there? The big reveal. Oh my god, what is this? Look at this backpack with my name, like it's branded, customized for me. Oh, thank you, YouTube. I love this. Like, this is just amazing. I really love this. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you. That's not all. All right, there's a pen. There's a notepad in here. There's a notepad, okay? See that logo from YouTube. So there's a notepad in there. All right, that's not all. So there's this hat in here, okay? Head warmer, beanie hats in here. Really cool stuff. I love it. YouTube shorts. So I have this right here to wear when it's cold. Really cute. That's not all. No, that's not all. That's not all. Then there is this. Can you see that? YouTube. So there's this lapel right there. Just put it right there on my clothes. Really cute stuff. That's not all. Okay, that is not all. So we have this box with a mug in it. Oh my god, see this cute little mug for coffee or tea. So you see shots, YouTube shots. Oh my god, I really love it. It's cute. There's even an instruction manual in this mug, like seriously. Anyway, that's not all. There's still one more thing in this box. There's still one more thing. Okay, this brick puzzle. Okay, it has 212 pieces. So you see, Google. So you're supposed to use that to form this. So I'm going to show you when my kids are done, because I'm sure they're the ones that are going to like sort this out and put it together. All right, so basically I feel blessed. I feel privileged. I see this as an opportunity and I'm really grateful for it. So thank you so much, YouTube. I really appreciate this gift. I really sincerely appreciate this gift, okay, from, remember, YouTube. My gift is from YouTube. Okay, so I'm really excited about this. Thank you. I really cannot wait to see what happens, you know, the growth that I experience from this point forward. I am really motivated to keep pushing, and I trust God to help me do great things through my channel in the coming year. Thank you guys for joining me to unbox this precious gift that I received from YouTube. I am really excited. I'm really grateful. Thank you for your time. Thank you for coming on this journey with me. Sincerely, I started YouTube just out of passion, just to get the word out there, to motivate people, to encourage people, to bless lives, you know. That was it. I wasn't at any point in time expecting any gift or anything, you know, really anything at all. And when I mean anything, I wasn't expecting anything in return. So having this is actually a blessing and I'm grateful for it. I do not take it for granted. So yeah, you know, I always like to motivate and encourage people. What's that thing that has been on your mind to do? Just get to it already. Like, just start. The reward will come. Whether you're looking for it or not, what a man sows, you're going to reap. Okay, so you're definitely going to reap whatever it is that you're sowing. So just keep sowing. The harvest will definitely come. Do not stall on your gifts. Do not stall on your vision, on your goals. Pursue them. Just keep doing it, and trust me, something great is going to come out of it. All right, that's about it. Thank you once again. See you again in my next video. Bye-bye.